the leprechaun, right? With the gold. Chloe say, uh-oh, she not wearing green. I might got it wrong, but yeah. St. Patrick's Day in April seems like the same holiday to me. I don't really like celebrate those 2 days. Like the only holidays I kind of care about is Thanksgiving and Christmas and my birthday, which is not a holiday, but it would be nice to have a holiday like with my name, like President's Day. All the presidents got their holidays, so hey. You say April. Chloe says April 1st is where you play pranks on people. Right, right. You know what? I'm not good at pranks. I don't like people pranking me. I don't know. I like surprises, but don't prank me. Like my brother, he loves doing stuff like that. He'll do something but it makes me laugh because that's my brother. But yeah, yeah. What part of Texas are you from, Chloe? Turtle says, you are so beautiful. Thank you, Turtle. You know what, Turtle? Like, when you first came to my live, like last week, I thought you were a guy. But now that I see your name, I think you updated your picture. So now I can see you're a lady. Lovely. Lovely. Hey, sis. Hey. So, but yeah. So what I got planned for today, ladies? Uh, St. Patty's is both green and leprechaun. Woo woo! Hey, Judah just made it. Hey, Judah, welcome, love. LOVE. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna adjust this camera. I don't know what's going on with this camera over here, but it is horrendous. The lighting is awful. But my YouTube YT fam looks great. Y'all look marvelous over there. Y'all look great. Oops, what am I doing? Let me see. Okay. All right, so let's get some music going up in here. I love listening to music when I live stream. Chloe says Tars Lubbock. Hey, I know where Lubbock's at. I've been there before. It's been a while. Okay. Turn this down. Cool. I'm actually in Houston, Chloe, and welcome Judah. Judah, that's my new friend I met last week too. Turtle and Judah, welcome. Okay. I guess it looks okay. We shall see. We shall see. I hate to mess with this screen here. All right, so, and thank you for all the hearts and the love and the shares. I appreciate it, lovelies. Okay, so let's see what we got going on today. Judah, how are you, Judah? Welcome. Welcome, Nay. Welcome, Judah. So this is a new setup that I have today. So it's kind of new to me. So y'all might see me do a lot of like moving and my hands doing this and this. So I'm trying to get used to this new setup. Because now my family's like right here in my face and you guys are still like at an angle. So I think I'm liking it. I think I like it. Okay. Judah. Turtle says bye. Okay, Turtle. Good to see you. Thank you, love. Thank you for visiting my channel. Oh, look. We have a new speaker. Speaking of speaker, I found a way to bring up guests on this channel here. So I'm going to see if I can get the guest box going. So if y'all want to join my guest box, just let me know. Okay, so hold on. Let me see. It's